Well, good morning. It's Friday morning at about 2 o'clock. Uh, I missed yesterday, sorry. Uh, anyway, it's Friday morning, 7/12/24. So, yeah, let's see. Got over and got the pressure washer and hose and power cord, so I can be doing that. I'm going to therapy this morning at about 7:30. I'll leave over. I'll be over there by 8. Got to get something back in the mail and ship it back out. Oh, yay. So it can take forever to get back here. Yeah. Battery issue. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Trying to get things taken care of. I did manage to, get the shopping for the things I need to take and pressure wash the wall to get the paint off. So, yay there. And I'm going to be trying to, when I get back from therapy, go, therapy and going and putting this thing in UPS, I think it is, or DHL, I forget which. Got to look up the address again. I'll come back and try to do the mowing of the backyard and the alleyway again. Constant job. Yeah. Anyway, they've got me a few more exercises than what I had. So, yay. And got to try to remember, posture. And all these stretches are making things ache. And when you go to the side, and, hold and stretch. And, yeah, guess what? Things go snap, crackle, and pop. Such a pleasant experience. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, trying to get things taken care of. And I'm going to have to swing by because I'm running out of coffee. I need to get another can of coffee. Yeah, hard to face the day without coffee. Part of me says I should try to limit that and quit drinking a whole pot a day. Get down to 1 cup or 2. I don't know. It's all choices and choosies. And yeah, there's a lot of things that you get to choose in your life. And the question is, do they make you happy? And when I look at look at happy, it's like, I don't really care about being happy, because that means a dependence on a situation being favorable or not favorable. See, hap is, the root of happiness, happy. And hap is happening. So something happens that you like the situation. You are happy. Something happens that you don't like the situation. You are unhappy. Well, so now you're letting circumstance control whether you're in a good mood or not. Personally, I prefer to be joyful. And yeah, I prefer joyful over happy. And pretty much I'm a joyful person. Don't get me wrong, some days things happen that are irritating. But I don't let them take me out of, I'm still joyful. I'm not going to let something that, happened change my joyfulness for the day. And don't get me wrong, it's not easy some days. Because sometimes things happen that, really do push your buttons. The question is what do you do to improve and not let something that just happens, you get hit by a car. It's an unhappy day. But are you going to let it make you miserable and mad? Ruin your day? Well, I'd rather be joyful about it. And okay, hey, shit happens. Smile and keep going. It could have been worse. Are you still alive? Yes. Okay, well, be thankful and joyful that you're still alive. A lot of folks forget to be thankful and joyful that they're still alive and just curl up in the misery of, I'm sad because this happened or that happened. They're letting something sideswipe them and change how they feel in a negative manner. And why would you want to let happenings control your life? Yeah. Don't get me wrong. It's taken a while to get to where I'm at on this travel, this journey. But I've become better at it, and mostly I'm a more joyful person. I have a more joyful life. Things don't just trigger me anymore. I've become more at peace, joyful, peaceful. Yeah, thankful. Yeah. Like I say, happy, don't care about it much. Some folks, just that way. They got to be happy. They got to be, let something happen to make them. I guess that's where, shopping addicts, gambling. Something happens. Drug addicts, something happens and it makes them feel happy. The happening goes away and now they feel unhappy. The shopper doesn't get to go out and spend all day because they go broke. So now they're sad because they're unhappy because they can't spend money and get new things to make them feel good. A happening, something shows up. Same thing with the drug addict. It's all that. Why? It's not right. Why let things rule your life that are unhappy? Swing you around from this to that, this to that. I don't know about you, but I don't feel like being a yo-yo. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, I just don't get wanting to be on that roller coaster. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy roller coasters, real ones, but I don't want to have my feelings going up and down because of happenings that are good and bad, good and bad, good and bad, and now I'm upset because I don't have control over happenings. If an asteroid falls out of the sky and crashes into me and I die, I have no control over it. Am I going to run around worried about asteroids, meteorites crashing into me? No. If it does happen, well, most likely, yeah, it's not going to matter because it's over if it's big enough to make a difference, and if it's small enough that it doesn't make a difference. Yeah, some lady actually got hit by one. Came through her roof or something. And she's still alive. Imagine those odds. I wonder if she went out and bought a lottery ticket that day. I think she could have won. Anyway, yeah. So happenings. Do you let things happen that change your mood or not? Like I say, I prefer to be joyful, enjoy life, be thankful that I'm still alive, and, well, peaceful. Not going up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm at peace. Yeah. Be peaceful, joyful, thankful. Anyway, I'm hoping y'all are having a blessed day. And I hope your week's going good. It should be coming to an end pretty much, and I hope your weekend is a great one, full of blessings and joy. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines. Later blessings and bye-bye. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.